Looking for an easy way to build and grow an online business? Then you need to check out Systeme.io. Systeme.io is an all-in-one online business platform designed to help entrepreneurs, creators, freelancers, coaches, affiliate marketers, and small business owners manage everything from one simple dashboard. Instead of paying for multiple tools, Systeme.io combines website building, sales funnels, email marketing, online courses, membership sites, blogging, automation, and affiliate program management into a single platform. So what exactly can you do with Systeme.io? You can create professional landing pages to capture leads, build complete sales funnels to sell products or services, send automated email campaigns to your subscribers, publish blog content to attract traffic, and even launch your own online course or membership program. One of the reasons Systeme.io has become so popular is its ease of use. You don't need coding skills, design experience, or technical knowledge to get started. The drag-and-drop builder makes it easy to create pages and funnels in minutes. But who is Systeme.io really for? If you're an affiliate marketer who wants to build email lists and promote products, Systeme.io can help. If you're a coach or consultant who wants to generate leads and book clients, Systeme.io can help. If you're selling digital products, online courses, ebooks, templates, or memberships, Systeme.io can help. If you're a content creator looking to grow an audience and monetize your knowledge, Systeme.io can help. And if you're just getting started online and need an affordable platform to launch your first business, Systeme.io is one of the easiest options available today. The best part? You can start using Systeme.io for free. There's no need to pull out your credit card. Simply register with your email address and create your free account. Within minutes, you'll have access to the platform and can begin building your online business. If you'd like to try Systeme.io for yourself, check the link in the video description and create your free account today using just your email address. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more reviews and tutorials about the best online business tools available today. See you in the next video.